Imagine this. You have just arrived in the new world. It's supposed to be beautiful, but all you see is slaves, crops, and horrible wealthy landowners. This is definitely not what you expected.
The population in the South during colonial times mainly consisted of two different groups, slaves and the landowners. And as you can see here, these are the slaves over here, these are the landowners. The relationship between them was not very good. As you can see, this guy has like a little whip here, he's trying to hurt this kid. It's not very good.
The southern states are located in the southeast part of North America. The colonies include Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. They all border the Appalachian Mountains.
So the climate in the South was very hot. However, their winters were mild. Because of this heat, plants were very fruitful and diseases spread.
Southern colonies. I still sound like a 7-year-old.
No, we gotta be quiet for them.
Indigo, lumber products, tar, and pitch. They formed a lot because of the amazing climate. You can go now. You guys are good.
Geography. The southern colonies bordered the Appalachian Mountains. So did all the other colonies. It ran along the Atlantic coast and had many good rivers and harbors.
The colonists of the South mainly relied on livestock and grain from the mid-Atlantic colonies.
Because of the large plantations, there were very few towns. And if there were towns, it would usually consist of 5 plantations. So they didn't really talk or interact with other people outside the farms.